Today we are going to learn Python rounding functions. Means in Python are so many functions we use on numerical values. We can do this that values round up. Means first is round. Round is inbuilt function in Python is already in Python. We can directly access round function. Means we can call like this round and give the values is written a round of value. See here, round method rounds a number to a nearest integer. Means there is a convert like see here this number 4.4.2 means this is convert this number into a 4 means uh, this number is above 5. This is converted into a means greater number and lower than 5 is convert the lower number means see here 4 point see like 5 means this is converted by the 5. This number is 5 is convert means next is math.ceil. Ceil it is ceil means sailing. It is a way round the value upward. Means it is convert after point is minimum point one also is there means 1.1 it is directly converted to the 2 means is after point any value is there the in sale is converted into a up value. It is so easy guys. See here next is a floor and firstly sale floor and trunk. This is a not directly usable functions. This is when we use this function that time we import a math library means math module. This is a methods in math module. When we use sale flow that time we can import means we should import math is important and after import math module then we can use floor trunk sale means you understand guys sale means up up value means after point any 0.01 also available then he consider a up value means 2.2 also yeah available then is converted into 3 and 3.9 also available this converted into directly 4 like this. Understand guys. And next is a math.floor. Floor is converted into a downward value. Is see here it is always round the value downward. Means after point any value is available it is converted into a down value. Means see here 2.9 is also available. Then it is converted this into a 2 means small value. See here math.floor we pass 4.2 this is converted into a 4 like this. Floor is below your field, so the value always gone down. This is and trunk. Trunk is also not much use in any program, but if you want, then you can use. And trunk means truncate. It is simple and remove the decimal part. This is remove a decimal part of the pass value. Then you pass any value like 4 point means 5.4 assume and this is converted this value into only 5 like this and this is a mostly usable functions in Python. Round is you can access and cell trunk floor. See here this is a Python code. Here we can write like this. See here firstly import Python and second round we are used directly and math.ceil is using math this cell floor in math modules. When we import math module then we can use floor cell methods means functions. See here quickly revision guys. Round means nearest integer. Cell means always of value and floor means always a down value and truncate is remove the decimal part of the our numbers. Easy, so easy guys, understand.